Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into shoulder rolls, lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, releasing tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation with your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and over to the left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With your right hand to the chair for support, reach your left arm up and over to the right, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.